perform ritual on those music, on those albums, so that when you listen to it, you become a part of whatever dark shit they have planned. Yes, sir. Keep your eye on your youth. Keep your eye on your youth when